Hey y'all, Rheem Sky here. Within this video, I'm going to explain step by step how to set up the Rheem Tankless water heater app, and that app is called EcoNet. So how do you set up the EcoNet app for the Rheem Tankless water heater for the initial time? Now keep in mind that there's a lot of Rheem Tankless water heaters on the market. This particular one that I bought has integrated Wi-Fi. This is the natural gas Rheem Tankless water heater that has integrated Wi-Fi. And you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order it online. But if you have a Rheem Tankless water heater, possibly the same model, maybe a different model, maybe you've got integrated Wi-Fi, or maybe yours was compatible with the add-on Wi-Fi and you've added it, how do you configure the EcoNet app? So I'm going to pull out my iPhone and you'll see step by step, this is how I configured the EcoNet app to connect to my Rheem Tankless water heater that has the integrated Wi-Fi. Now keep in mind the little icon that I click at the beginning of the EcoNet app installation. If you don't have the same one like I've got, and again, expand this video's description and click the link there to find the tankless water heater like I have. But if you're using a different model, when you perform that initial click, that Wi-Fi control panel or whatever may look cosmetically different. So keep that in mind. And another thing to be aware of when you configure the EcoNet app, the Wi-Fi connection, the initial Wi-Fi connection will not be your home's Wi-Fi network name, not your home's Wi-Fi SSID. The initial thing that you connect to within your iPhone's Wi-Fi will be the name of the Rheem Tankless water heater, because once you perform that initial connection directly to the Rheem Tankless water heater, then through the app it'll configure the Rheem Tankless water heater to connect to your Wi-Fi. So going forward, you've got complete control of your Rheem Tankless water heater by way of your EcoNet app, which is super nice because I can adjust. And we're going to go into app functionality within EcoNet app functionality within a separate video. This video, I just wanted to show you how to pair the Rheem EcoNet app with the Rheem Tankless water heater. So select your device. Mine's the bottom left, but yours may be different. Then it says ensure product is ready to connect. On mine, I just pressed and held the Wi-Fi button and I heard an audible beep. And after hearing the audible beep, I noticed that the Wi-Fi icon on the device started to flash. Now what you're going to need to do is go into your iPhone, go into wireless networks, and select the EcoNet. So do not, and I repeat, do not select your home Wi-Fi here. This is the EcoNet that you're selecting, because what this will do is connect temporarily to your Rheem. And it says, do you want it to be found? I said okay to that. This is now starting the pairing process with the Rheem Tankless water heater. Now we're going to connect to our router, and we will select, this is where we select our home network, and then enter your password for your home network, and now this will pair with the EcoNet app. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe if this video helped. Send me a super thanks, not required, but if you choose to do so, you can find the thanks button down below this video, click it, and you can choose to send me a super thanks. Thanks again for your support. Subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all of my videos. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rheem Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.